Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the first official cleaning video in my new apartment featuring Kiki. Are you going to be a good girl today? You're never a good girl, are you? Okay, let's get started.
Well, hello there, and welcome to my first official cleaning video in my new apartment in Texas. So, if you know me and my cleaning style, you would know that I love to start off by making my bed first. I don't know why, but it gets me in the mood to clean the rest of the apartment, and it also sparks some kind of energy to get me going. So get up and make your bed, girls. So next, after making my bed, I'm just picking up my garbage to throw all of that away, and then I'm going to wipe down my nightstands. I found these Clorox Fragancia wipes. If you guys remember that floor cleaner I used to use, I found them in the wipes at the Dollar Tree and they smell amazing. So I'm using these little wipes to clean off my nightstands. They weren't really dirty, but they were a little dusty. So now I'm going to vacuum these floors. Can I tell you, I miss vacuum lines. I can get a little bit of a vacuum line on the rugs that we have, but oh Lord, I miss vacuum lines, especially in my bedroom. So here I am creating fake vacuum lines on this black floor, imagining that they're actual vacuum lines, even though they're really not. So moving on to my bathroom, I'm going to be using this Lysol bathroom spray, and I'm going to be using these disinfecting wipes as well, just to clean off my countertop and my sinks. I'm using that same Lysol spray just to spray down my shower walls and the bathtub. I took everything out and now I'm just wiping this down with a rag.
Oh my God.
So now I'm going to start in my kitchen. I'm just emptying these cups and whatever is left in the Coke cans and putting everything away that is sitting on top of the countertop. And then I'm going to go in with my Method lavender spray and I'm just going to wipe off my countertops.
Oh my God. Oh my God. So anyways, I am finished with this cleaning video. There's a few more things I'm gonna do. I am gonna clean up the extra bathroom just a little bit. I am not cleaning the office room because I do not care right now. I'm overheated, I'm out of breath, and I feel like I did more work than usual, even though I didn't even do that much. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this first cleaning routine in my new apartment. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already. There will be lots more videos in the future, I promise you. You just gotta stick around to find out. See you next time, bye.